If you're wondering whether Formisoft AI is actually worth your time, or just another overhyped tool, this video breaks down 7 crucial things you need to know that most people won't tell you. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly if this brand new AI software fits into your workflow or if you should skip it entirely. And yes, you can try Formisoft AI completely free. Just check the first link below and test it for yourself. So here's what makes Formisoft AI stand out in a sea of average tools. First, it's built for speed. This isn't one of those bloated platforms with 500 features you'll never use. It's clean, responsive, and incredibly intuitive. From onboarding to execution, it's designed for people who want fast results without a steep learning curve. Under the hood, Formisoft uses proprietary natural language processing and predictive automation, making it especially useful for marketers, solopreneurs, and small business owners. You can use it to create high-converting forms, automate lead capture, and plug those forms directly into your CRM or email marketing stack. No coding needed. It's genuinely plug and play. One feature that impressed me is the Smart Logic Builder. Unlike most form tools that require manual setup, Formisoft automatically adapts questions based on user inputs. This alone can significantly increase conversion rates, especially for agencies or funnel builders trying to qualify leads in real time. Another game changer is its integration with AI-driven data enrichment. When someone fills out your form, Formisoft can automatically gather additional business intel like company size, social profiles, and buying intent. This is huge for anyone running cold outreach or retargeting campaigns. I've tested dozens of tools, and very few do this natively, especially not this well. Now, in terms of customization, it's built with both beginners and advanced users in mind. You can quickly generate forms using AI suggestions, or take full control with custom logic and embedded scripts. The UI doesn't get in your way, which is rare for just released software. Security and compliance are also built in: GDPR, CCPA, and data encryption. If you're dealing with sensitive client info or regulated industries, this is not just a bonus, it's essential. But is it perfect? Not quite. As a newly released AI software, Formisoft still lacks some deeper analytics that more mature platforms offer. You can track submissions and basic metrics, but if you're looking for advanced A/B testing or behavioral analytics, you'll need a secondary tool for now. That said, the roadmap looks promising, and the devs are actively shipping updates. So should you use it? If you're running any kind of online funnel, email campaign, or lead gen strategy, Formisoft AI deserves a serious look. Especially with the free trial from the first link below, you've got nothing to lose by testing it for yourself. And here's the kicker. In the next update, they're planning to roll out AI-generated follow-up sequences based on the form data. That could completely change how businesses handle cold leads. So definitely keep an eye on that. If you want to see the other top AI tools I recommend after testing thousands of them, check out the full list in the description. All of them are free to try and might save you hundreds of hours.